I'm pumped up to show you this scalping trading strategy using the simple yet profitable crude trend indicator. The key to any successful strategy is finding high quality signals, and that's exactly what this indicator excels at. To optimize this indicator for the best possible win rate, there's a couple of adjustments you can make in the indicator settings. First, in the style section, you can customize the color of the indicator. But more importantly, in the input section, we want to tweak a few parameters. Changing the smoothing period from the default to 22 will give the indicator a longer history to analyze trends more effectively. We can also adjust the constant D value to 0.5, which controls the sensitivity of the signals. By making these two adjustments to the smoothing period and constant D values, we can sufficiently improve the quality and accuracy of the current trend indicator signals. Therefore, whenever a buy or sell signal is generated, you have the opportunity to enter the market for quick scalps. Of course, no indicator optimization is a guarantee of success. That's why I also intend to add 2 more free indicators to the trading strategy in order to create a simple strategy with a high win rate for you. By layering in signals from at least 3 indicators tuned optimally for the same time frame, we can greatly improve the reliability of our trading strategy, which will really help us identify the trend for this here strategy. Alright, so the second indicator we're gonna use is the ultimate moving average multi-time frame indicator. But of course, this indicator also needs some optimizations. So in the settings, we want to set the indicator time frame 1 time frame higher than the chart's time frame. Since our chart time frame in this example is a 15-minute time frame, we'll set the indicator time frame to 1 hour. Then we'll change the moving average length to 200 and select 1 to choose SMA as the method. By setting the indicator to a higher time frame and a longer moving average, we can give it more prominence in identifying the overall trend, while the signal indicator captures shorter term movements with that trend. Together, these optimized indicators form a powerful combination for our scalping strategy. The price action is in the relation to the ultimate moving average line, and the color of the indicator line indicates the market trend. For example, in this sample, the indicator line color is green and the candles are forming above the line, so the market momentum is bullish. As a result, any sell signals are filtered out, preventing the potential losses in the trade. And similarly, in this example, the indicator line is red and the candles are also above this line, so the market was bearish. As a result, buy signals are filtered. Alright, so the final indicator we gotta add to the chart is called Easy Entry Exit Trend Color. This here sample indicator can provide valuable entry and exit confirmations within the context of other 2 indicators already analyzing the trend. Now in the settings for Easy Entry Exit Indicator under Inputs, Then under the style section, we're gonna disable all options except for green triangles, red triangles, and zero line. You can also modify the color and thickness of zero line to make it stand out better. When using this indicator, you gotta note that when a buy signal is given, the buy signal will be confirmed if there is a green triangle present and the green triangle is also above zero line. Similarly, when a sell signal is given, the sell signal will be only confirmed if there is a red triangle present in this here oscillator and the red triangle is below the zero line. This provides an extra layer of validation, filtering out signals that ain't in sync with the trend momentum. So you're only allowed to enter a buy trade when a buy signal has been issued by the CTI indicator. And for more confirmation, you should check that the market momentum is bullish, meaning the price action should be above the green ultimate moving average. And finally, green triangles should be presented in the oscillator and they also should be above zero line. In this case, you can enter the trade at the close price of signal candle. And to limit the amount of loss, you gotta define a stop loss for the trade, for which you can use the recent swing low or the ultimate moving average line. And for exiting the trade, you also gotta have a strict rule. My recommendation for exiting in a scalping method is to set the target 1.5 times greater than the stop loss value. And similarly, you're only allowed to enter a sell trade when a sell signal has been issued by the CTI indicator. And for more confirmation, the market momentum should be bearish, meaning the price action should be below the red ultimate moving average. And finally, we should have red triangles in the oscillator and the triangles should be below the zero line. In this case, you can enter the trade at the close of the signal candle. And to limit the amount of loss, you gotta define a stop loss for the trade, for which you can use the recent swing high or the ultimate moving average. And finally, to exit the trade, you also gotta have a strict rule. And just like the buy trade, my recommendation is to set the target 1.5 times greater than the stop loss value. However, if you want to increase the win rate of your trade, you absolutely can afford to miss this here recommended video.